Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by installing a strong ad blocker and applying strict filters. This stops most ads at the browser level. Once done, sign out of accounts and clear cookies so tracking cookies can't retarget you immediately. Make sure to enable the extension on all browsers and pin it to the toolbar. You want a privacy-focused browser for repeat sessions. That reduces fingerprinting. This first step removes high-volume ad sources and gives you a clean baseline to tighten further controls. Next, you block ads and trackers at the network and account level to stop cross-site and app ads. Configure DNS-level blocking on your router or device so every connected device benefits. This prevents many app and smart TV ads. Then go into Google, Facebook, and other accounts to disable ad personalization and remove ad interests. Also enable browser protections for third-party cookies and tracking prevention. This reduces retargeting. By combining DNS blocking with account controls, you cut off both delivery and profiling. To finish, you eliminate remaining ad vectors and lock down permissions. Audit and uninstall apps that serve ads or come preloaded on devices. They often bypass browser blockers. Then deny ad ID, location, and unnecessary background data permissions to apps that need fewer signals for targeted ads. If ads still appear, update filter lists, temporarily whitelist to test, and reboot your router or device to flush cached DNS. If a particular site shows ads, check for acceptably allowed content or an extension conflict and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.